Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and today we will understand transportation infrastructure and policy. So this is the chapter 3, designing and planning of transportation network. So we will discuss about the infrastructure and policy. So what is the policy, transport policy? Aim and scope. Transport policy is a international referred general aim to improving quality of the transport. Okay, so if you talk about the objective of the transport policy, the objective is to improve the quality of the transport policy. Okay, and strategy analysis. Strategy means that best type of mode using and provide the better solutions. So we can say the strategy analysis is the analysis way in which check out which is the efficient transport. Okay, then designing and sharing innovative policy. Okay, after the analyzing process, the network need to be designed and share this innovative policy. Okay, so the aim of this policy is to transport policy is to provide better quality of the transport, which will provide at a low cost and better services. Okay, so management practice, it's the management practice and application, bridging the gap between theory and practical transport. Okay, so we know that the bookish knowledge is the theory knowledge, and practical knowledge is the implementation of the bookish knowledge. Okay, but we can only improve this but doing more practical things. Okay, so we need to understand this process will be done, policy and infrastructure and better service of the transport will be done after the experience. Okay, by doing number of job execution, check out the history of the movement. Okay, on basis of that we can analyze the strategy. Okay, and we can design this network. Okay, so we will discuss this. The Transportation Corporation of India Limited is the largest private sector integrated logistics service in India. Okay, so this company of Transport Corporation of India Limited is the largest private sector integrated logistics India. Okay, so any transport policy should be able to ensure safe, affordable, and quick, comfortable, reliable, and sustainable access. So the policy of transportation should be in that will ensure the safe, affordable means the not higher prices, quick means easily available, and comfortable, which will comfort for the shipment, reliable and sustainable access. This is the main objective of the transportation policy. Integrated land use transport planning in all cities should be encouraged so that travel distance are minimized. Integrated land, okay, means the centralized land. The center point of the land can be used for the planning. Okay, so that the goods and all warehouses should be the centralized location, so that can be delivered from that centralized location to the other locations. So that can be minimize the distance. Okay, okay. By using integrated land, the access of business to market and the other factor of production should be improved. Okay, by centralizing the one locations. Okay, and distribute from one location is the part of minimizing the not only distance but it also improve the factor of productions. Okay, so we need to understand this thing, that how we can manage such thing. It depend upon the SOP. Okay, so SOP need to be prepared after strategy analysis. That which location should be a distribution center. So from that location, goods can be delivered, okay, and improve the facility. Like some materials coming from the Mumbai to Mumbai. For example, some material or goods coming from Mumbai, okay. So this warehouses should be located in the center of the India. So from that location, it can be delivered from the all location. Okay. If you will not do, then first we need to bring material like Mumbai, then Mumbai to Hyderabad. So it will be cost of transport increase. Okay. So we need to understand, if we centralize the distributor center, then we can minimize the distance. Okay. It should bring about the more equalities allocations by space. The transport infrastructure should favor establishing of the quality focused transport system are well integrated, providing seamless travel. Okay. So here the allocation and all the thing, road allocation space and all the infrastructure should be established in such a way that will favor to the transportation infrastructure. Okay, so this is not only transportation, that are also integrated, providing a seamless transport. Okay, all in one means that service are integrated in such a way that there is no need to arrange different transportations and follow. Only one single orders, the agent will allocate the shipment. Okay, and the booking of shipment is done in such a way that all the mode of transport is handling by the one single party. Okay, so now various mechanisms should be established for the enhancement, coordination in planning and management of transport system. So what are the various various mechanisms which will enhance the coordination in planning management? There should be intelligent transport system for the traffic management. The use of cleaner technology should be promoted. Okay, so intelligent transport system is need to be used in traffic management, and cleaner also need technology also should be improved. Okay, the terminal of the automobile and parking lots, while buses and coaches can be operate from simple stop. For goods, terminal a transshipment point through some cargo is transported directly from point of production to the point of use. Okay, so here we need to understand the centralized process are using here. There we need to select the particular locations. From that location, you need to transport the shipment. Okay, so all financing infrastructure can either be public. All financial of infrastructure can be either public or private. Transport is necessary for the public. Okay, road and some countries roadway, airport funded through the taxation. Okay, so policy need to financing for the infrastructure, either public or private. It is necessary that public road and some countries roads, airport and funded through taxation. Okay, so here as per government we can say providing the best transport, road transport, okay, railways and airports. These are the very important part is the of the infrastructure. So government need to be fund for that through taxation. Okay, taxation. Okay, new infrastructure project involve large spending and often financing through debt and money infrastructure owner. Therefore, impose users fees such as the landing fees, airport and toll plaza and road independent of this. Authority impose a tax on the purchase of used vehicle. Okay, so we can say that government, the transport corporations of India are arranging the new infrastructure project. But in this process, the large fund require. Okay, so they are often financed through the debt. Okay, need to take from the bank. Okay, or we can say many infrastructure owner. Okay, so therefore, for arranging this fund, how can they collect? So they will impose users fees such as the landing fees at airport. Okay, so they will take some charges on the land using the airport location. Okay, then toll plazas, toll charges also need to pay, and road independence of this. Authority impose a tax on purchase of used vehicle. Okay, purchase while purchasing, we need to also pay the tax. So by helping of this fund, transportation and other thing will improve by using this fund. So the conclusion of this transport infrastructure and policy is to providing the best infrastructure for the transportation, and policy need to prepare in such way that will give the improving quality of the transport. Okay, and the transporter cannot charge highly, so they also need such policies. So guys, in this session we understand transport infrastructure and policies. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.